Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. No? So this is our topic for today. So I'll be discussing um, what are the uh, what are the terms, okay, and kung paano natin pagagalawin yung model natin. So this is a previous activity that we did. Uh, in your, I think this is included on either midterm, no? Um, in there, we discuss how are you going to create the following, no? The following chess pieces. By the way, this model is, the owner of this model is Carlo, no? So, kay Carlo to. So, dinownload ko. Actually, dinownload ko naman lahat ng ginawa nyo. Ito, since ito, hindi na ako mahihirapan i-edit, ito yung ginamit ko. Okay, kasi in place na siya. In place na siya. So, di-discuss ko, how are we going to make this animated, no? So, paano natin siya gagawing animated? Okay. So, paano natin siya gagawing animated? So, pay attention on the screen on how are we going to create this one as animated one, no? Okay? Kasi, ang gagawin natin dito for this activity is paglalabanin natin siya. Okay? So, you have the side and then the other side. So, tanggalin natin yung wireframe niya para makita natin. Just hit F4 para makita natin, no? Para ma-disappear and appear yung wireframe natin. Okay. So, once done, ito siya. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin dito is we are going to make this parang naglalaban. Okay? Opposing team. So, it's like yung game, pero dito, alam na kung sino mananalo. Okay? Alam mo na kung sino mananalo. It's just basic animating. No? Ina-animate lang natin kung ano yung gagawin natin. Okay? I-animate lang natin yung outcome nung game natin. Okay. So let's say for example, ito, i-move natin siya. Ganyan. Going to one place to another. Ayan. Going there. No? Ganun yung gagawin natin. Okay? Pero, syempre, in a form of animation. Okay? In a form of animation. Now, now again, no? Um, uh, what we are going to do is we are going to make it na okay, paano yung walang mga alam? Okay lang kung dama, sige, wala namang problema. Kaso ito lang sasabihin ko, pagka dama kasi, uubusin lahat yan. Mauubos lahat. So, hindi titigil yung game hanggat hindi nauubos, no? So, I think much better pa rin na chess yung gawin nyo. Mag-ano lang kayo ng ano, magtingin lang kayo ng series of moves kung paano matatalo yung isa, no? Maliban lang doon sa pinaka maikse, yung tinatawag nilang 5 moves ba yon? 7 moves? Basta yung ganun, no? Hindi ganun, no? So, hindi ganun yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, pero yung ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung way on how we're going to create this one, no? Okay. So, let's start off with by placing a camera. Okay, so lahat ng model natin nandiyan na, naka-set up na tayo. So, i-place natin yung camera we're in, overlooking natin yung isang side. Okay, so using this view, let's say, okay, kuha tayo ng camera natin. Let's say, target camera. Lagay natin siya in the middle. Ayan. Tapos medyo ilapit lang natin to. Ayan. So, to see the camera, let's hit C on your keyboard. No? So, ayan. Okay, ganyan natin. Ayan. Tapos, medyo nakikita natin ng konti yung view. Ayan, no? Okay, we could move this ng medyo ganyan para makikita natin yung whole view. Okay. Tapos, yan. I think this is better. Yan. Okay. Yan. Okay. This is better, no? Ang mangyayari dito is, papakita natin kung ano yung first move. Now, this is the first side. Now, the position of your camera would be kung sino yung titira. Okay, kung sino yung titira. Let's say, for example, maunang titira si Gray. So, yung side ng Gray. So, basically, sa kanya nakaharap yung camera. It's like a first-person view, no? So, halimbawa, parang ikaw yung mismong titira. Okay? The difference is that predefined na, no? Predefined na yung ginagawa natin, no? Okay? So, let's say for example, ulitan natin yung time configuration natin kasi medyo mabilis yung 103 seconds lang to eh. No? So, let's say, let's have 5,000. Ayan, no? 5,000. So, paano natin malalaman yan? Calculator lang natin. Kung 30 frames per second lang yan, so 5,000 divided by 30, this is 166 seconds divided by 60. So, 2 minutes. Almost 3 minutes, no? Almost 3 minutes yan. So, mas mataas sa 5,000 yung gagawin pang frame niyan, malamang. Kasi, you could not display it within 3 minutes, no? So, let's say, for example, kasi meron pa siyang idle time eh. Meron pa parang thinking time, no? Kayong ibibigay. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan natin siyang tapusin yung rendering natin at one seat lang. Halimbawa, tatapusin nyo siya until 15,000 na frame. Hindi kailangan, no? Pwede nyo siyang pakonti-konting ayusin, pakonti-konting i-render. Tapos later on, pagdidikit-dikitin nyo na lang siya. Okay? So let's say for example here. Let's say, let's start off with this one. So halimbawa ang titira si gray side. So halimbawa ito. I-move natin to. Okay? So i-auto-click ko na siya. Okay? So let's say from 0 to let's say 600 para medyo mabagal, smooth yung galaw niya, no? Okay. Okay, let's have 200 na lang. Para mapakita natin yung ayos. Test ko lang. Okay, so I think let's say let's say 100, no? From frame 0 to 100, ito yung move niya. Ayan, no? So, tanggalin ko yung auto key. Let's try. So, from frame 0 to 100, yan yung first move niya. So, yung 100, smooth na siya. No? Smooth na yung galaw niya. Okay, smooth na yung galaw niya. Comes yung second. No? So, let's say, for example, after 100, dito tayo sa 200 niyan. Yan yung thinking. Okay, yung transition. Ito yung transition nung ano natin. So, let's say, for example, this one, going back to 100, yung camera natin dito, parang ititik lang natin siya ng maliit na maliit. Okay? Yung hindi masyadong halata. Para from frame 0 to 100, wala siyang movement. Okay, nagigets ba yun? Kasi kapag ka, look at this. So, lalagay ko lang siya sa 100, no? Okay. Ititik ko lang siya ng medyo okay. Oops, di pala ako naka-auto key. Bad. Let's auto key that. So, parang i-blink ko lang siya ng 1 point para hindi gagalaw yung camera ko. Yan, no? Parang emphasis lang. Okay? Then from frame 0 to 200 comes yung parang thinking ng character natin or yung pose natin. Okay? So 100 keyframes ulit to, no? So let's say for example, from here, dun pa lang magi-start yung dito pa lang magi-start yung paglipat niya. Okay, so here from frame 0 to 200 comes here. So tignan natin. Okay. Now we could still adjust, no? Kapag okay. Let's have this sa camera view natin here. Okay. So comes first. Okay, thinking time. Okay. Oops, masyado mabilis yon. So yung 100 natin masyadong mabilis. So look at this. Okay. So babaguhin natin yon. Kunin natin yung camera natin. Tingnan natin kung saan nagbago yun. Yeah. Yung nakikita nating frames dito, pang camera to ha. 0 here. So, here dapat meron tayong bit movement dito na isa. Okay. Tapos, let's say mag-interval tayo ng ganito. So 200 pa lang siya mag-i-start. Para smooth yung movement natin, cover tayo ng dalawa. Yan. So, tignan natin. Camera view. Okay. Comes thinking time. Okay, transition. Okay. Comes yung second move. Okay. Kung titignan natin yung ginawa natin dito sa camera natin, here, this is yung state ng 0. Okay, yan yung, syempre, hindi kailangan lumipat, no? Okay. So, from 0 to 100, stay lang yung camera natin as it is. Tapos, mag-i-stay pa rin siya from 0 to 200 kasi yan yung parang transition time, no? Tapos, from 201 to 400, this is the time na iikot yung camera natin to other side. Okay? Tapos bibigyan ulit natin siya ng, sabihin na natin 100 seconds ulit. Okay? Para sa thinking naman ulit. Okay? Para sa thinking. Kaso look at this. Pay attention to this. Pagka kinuha natin to, okay? Pagka kinuha natin to, ang problema, yan, from 0 to 400, hindi natin siya pwedeng igalaw. No? Okay? Hindi natin siya pwedeng igalaw. So, ang gagawin natin, okay, 400. Yan, no? So, 400, yan. Look at this. You could select this one, set key, para mag-stop siya doon. Then, so 0 to 400, look at this. Tingnan natin. Test muna natin. Okay. Comes 100 seconds transition. Then, okay, ito. Kiklik yung camera ha para makita natin yung transition natin. So, para makita nyo to. This is okay, still 0 state. Comes the transition. Yon. Tapos give tayo ng 100 kasi kalalapag niya lang ng 400 sa other side. Give tayo ng 100. Okay, give tayo ng 100 dyan. Para nakastay pa rin yung camera natin. Click this one, set key. Okay, yan. Then, after natin mag-give ng 100, yan yung thinking time ng other side. Okay, comes 600, let's say. This one yung kinukuha natin. Ito. No? Okay. Set key tayo doon. Comes 600. 400 siya lumapag, 500 dapat pala ang set key natin dito. 500. Kasi yung 600 dapat tapos na yung move niya. Okay. So here, get this one. Okay. So yan. I forgot to click the auto key. Come 600, saan ang lapag niya? Dito. Okay, 100 keyframes yung kinain niya. Okay, that's it. So, tanggalin natin. Let's test. First move. Okay, transition time. Thinking, 500. No? Okay. Movement, 500 to 600. Okay. Then, you have here, from here, give ka ulit ng 100. So, from 700. Pero, camera pa rin yun. Auto key tayo, set key, para stock yung camera natin doon. 800, comes 800. Pero 200 yung ano natin, di ba? Yung given natin para sa transition. So, Comes 900 para dun sa transition nung pang second move natin. Then additional 100 for the timing. Okay, so let's see. Tanggalin natin auto key. Okay, first move, thinking, transition. Okay, you give 100 seconds for thinking, then 100 seconds for moving, then 100 seconds na pause ulit, 100 keyframes pala, I mean, 200 keyframes for transition, then another 100 keyframes for thinking. So yun, no? Another 100 keyframes for thinking. Okay. So going back to auto key, 100 keyframes for thinking. Then you have another 100 para sa second move. So let's say for example, yung second move natin para dito is, say, ganyan natin. Gusto natin, halimbawa, horse yung ilalagay natin. Siyempre, pa L siya, no? Okay. So, medyo hindi isang move lang yung kakainin natin dito, no? Hindi lang isang, so let's say 50. So, baka kakain to ng 150. So, 50 para iangat. Okay. Another 50 for, let's say, angat na siya, 50 for here. Then another 50. Para ibaba siya. Okay, syempre, kailangan makita nyo dito ng maayos. Dito natin siya titignan kung matatouch nyo na yung graph. So you'll have another 100 para dun sa, so this is 150. Alright, so that's 14 steps. Kunin natin to. Okay, so let's see. Tanggalin natin auto key. Okay, let's maximize this para makita natin. So then, first move. Oops, may mali ako doon. I have mali. Ayan, no? Look at this. Look at this. Since ang ginawa ko dito, ito dito sa horse ko. Since ang ginawa ko dito, hindi ako nag-set key. Okay, hindi ako nag-set key, no? Ang nangyari, simula frame 0, gumagalaw na siya. Okay, gumalaw na siya. Okay, tignan nyo. Look at this. Ayan, no? Ito. Dito nyo siya tingnan, no? Ayan, no? Okay, kasi hindi ako nag-set key. Okay, hindi ko in-start yung starting point niya. Okay, dito kasi, kumbaga from frame 0 to 1,100, 1,050, ang nangyari, yun yung parang upward movement niya, which is mali. No? Which is mali. Dapat, di ba, dito pa lang, sa frame 1,000 pa lang, dun pa lang magi-start yung parang, ito, movement niya. So, we don't want to happen that. That's why, ang gagawin natin, ito, pwede ko tong shift. Okay, yan. Kinloan ko na lang yung movement na yun, parang staggered, no? Ayan, no? Okay, hindi na siya gagalaw niyan. Kasi nakalimutan ko lang naman at parehas lang naman dapat yung itsura nila na ito. Okay? So, tignan natin. Minto pa. Okay. Okay. Look at the horse. Hindi na siya gumagalaw niyan, no? Okay, gagalaw pa lang siya mamaya pagka-turn niya na. Kasi naayos na natin, nakapag-set key na tayo. Okay, 100. Tapos, dyan pa lang siya angat. Then, okay. Then, lapad. Okay. So, ganun, no? Tapos, uulit-ulitin lang natin yun hanggang matapos. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, hindi natin kailangan i-render to ng from 1 to 1,000 or 5,000 ng isang render lang. Kasi pagka nagkaroon ng power interruption, masisira yung nire-render nyo. Pwede kayo mag-render, let's say for example, 0 to 500. Okay, 500, 1 to 1,000. Tapos the rest will follow. So paano yan? Dito, under rendering lang naman yun. No? Dito sa batch render. Under rendering. Okay. Tapos, where's my batch render? Okay. Diba? I-add lang natin yung camera natin. Tapos override. And frame start mo. Let's say mag-i-start ako dito. Sa 1,000. Okay. Yan. Okay. Tapos, okay. Magtatapos ako sa 1,050. Okay. 1,100. Yan. Pwede yan. No? Okay. So, pinipili mo. Pinipili mo. Okay, para hindi isahang edit, hindi isahang render, hindi mahirapan yung unit mo rin. Para pwede mo siyang gamitin. Halimbawa, after 100, pahinga muna. After another 100, pahinga ulit. Hanggang matapos mo yung the whole 1,000. Okay? So, yun yung magiging activity natin for today.